Thank you for watching. Today we are going to pick up a Sick Subaru. We towed this Subaru just the other week after a quick change, oil change place. I accidentally drained the transmission fluid and didn't put it back in, and instead of the oil, and we towed it to the Subaru dealer. They fixed it, or claimed they fixed it, but she says the brakes or something's going wrong with shuttering, and it's got me wondering if the transmission's not shuttering after they did that to the transmission. So we'll go over here. It's not too far away from our shop, so we'll ride over here right quick. She wants us to tow it to a local repair shop, so that's what we're going to do. She's already dropped the keys by our office because she had a doctor's appointment. We told her we'd come by and pick it up, so she didn't have to be there. So we're pulling up now. There's our little Subaru right there. So we're gonna pull up here, activate our lights, pull right past it. Right past it. This is a pretty steep incline here. So we'll go ahead and dump our air ride. And see if we can't get it loaded. This remote, it allows me to stand out of traffic, run this from wherever I'm at. Perfect. Cut our remote off so we don't accidentally hit it. Extra careful, this bed gets pretty slick when it's wet. Off this car and slip down. Got one hook on it now, so if for some reason the parking pawl were to malfunction or one of those should catch it. Alright, gonna put our front strap on here. do all of our work from the passenger side of the truck. That way we stay out of traffic. This is a city street, but we still want to be cautious. Uh-oh. There we go. Perfect. That's how we did it the other day. Going pretty close, I'll do this. Normally I wrap these up a little bit better, but we're literally going less than a mile, so I just don't want to flap it around too much. We'll run over here right quick, put this front on. Uh-oh. You know what, guys? I couldn't have done that if I tried. Just about done, so see if we can't get it onto the garage. It does save time getting in and out of the truck. Well, the roads are getting kind of wet. Sorry guys. Let our air ride pump back up. That rain is getting cold out here. Hands off. We'll try to. All right, PTO's out. Coming. No cars coming, is what I meant to say. Front flash, leave a rear flash on for a second while we get up to speed. And we're good. All right. Like I said, we're not going far, so I'll just leave the camera rolling. Because we're literally going out here and making a left and going to be turning back right in less than 1/8 of a mile. But you do the same process no matter how far you're moving them. Oh, car turning in. There we go. Okay. That's a nice truck right there. It's the right color. Retail red. Let's see it. Hopefully they have a spot, but since this vehicle does run, that makes it a little bit easier. Because this is a tight garage here. Looks like I'm gonna park it right there. here. Don't believe we might make it. It's tight. There we go. I'm gonna load it, park it right there in that parking place. Alright, just reverse the procedure. Let those gloves dry. Oh, a little bit too short. Let me get this bed on out. Alright. Go around this side. I'll release this strap some, that way we have a safety. In case our winch were to fail, or you always want a safety before you get behind a vehicle. Never rely on parking balls. All right. Go. Perfect. Makes it easy when you use one chain to do everything. Go. Oh. That cold rain started running down the back of my neck. Stop that. Brakes do sound kind of funky, and I haven't felt any shuddering, so that's good. All right, leave that there. They want to leave the key in it here, so we'll leave the key with them. All right, good deal. We've been settled, so all we gotta do is pack the truck up now. back in its holder, and we're ready to go. All right, dry my hands off so they don't mess the steering wheel up. Wipe my door panel down. We'll get a bunch of water spots and things on it. And I think we're ready. There rides up. Okay, everyone, thank you again for watching. As always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Share it with your friends on social media. Be sure to like our social media pages. All you have to do is hit the @ symbol, Hodges Towing, no spaces. And you'll see our social media feeds from Facebook and Instagram. We don't have Twitter. All we have is Instagram and Facebook and YouTube. So @ Hodges Towing. Thank you again for watching. Hope you're staying dry wherever you're at. I don't know when this is going to air. Today is February 22nd, 2019. So we don't know when this is going to air, but boy, we've had a lot of rain here. So hope you're staying dry where you're at. And God bless. Thank you again.